Nur Alia Ular.
Zenias.
Good. Ina Fadila Rizwan.
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you all. So now, before we start, I have 3 learning objectives. Okay. The first is students can tell time in English. And the second is students can identify the use of hour, minute, and time expression. The last is students can fill in or write the time based on teacher or clock show. Okay, guys. Miss will ask you, do you ever see analog in your house, your boarding house? Yeah, analog.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. See? Yeah. So today, Miss will explain about the topic is time.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Look at this picture. What is this?
Oh.
Okay, analog. Yeah, this picture is example analog clock. Okay. Okay. For the first picture, what time is it?
7.
It's 7 o'clock. Okay. For the second picture is
8.
8:30.
it's 8:30. Okay. So guys, do you notice the first picture use o'clock and the second picture is 8:30. Why? Do you know what the reason?
Don't know, Miss.
Okay. Now, Miss wanna tell you. Miss wanna tell you about time expression. Why the first picture use 7 o'clock, the second picture use 8:30. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Do you have see?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Nah, jadi pada gambar yang pertama dia itu jamnya menunjukkan pukul 7. Ini Indonesia pukul 7.00. Nah, sebelum itu Miss wanna tell you kalau in jarum pendek in English we say our hand.
What?
Our hand. Our hand. Oke. Jarum panjang in English we say minute hand. Jadi jarum pendek dia menentukan pukul berapa, jam berapa. Nah, jarum panjang dia menentukan menit berapa. Nah, di dalam analog itu ada jarum panjang yang lebih panjang dari jarum panjang. Paham?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
ya. Yes, you can see right.
The other is 3.
3 ya. Nah, itu dia menentukan detik.
Oh iya, Miss.
Jadi jarum panjang dia menentukan pukul berapa, jam berapa. Nah, kalau jarum pendek dia menentukan pukul berapa, jarum panjang dia menentukan menit ke berapa. Jarum yang lebih panjang itu dia menentukan detik. Nah, jarum panjang itu jam itu ada 1 jam ada 60 menit, 1 menit ada 60 detik. Oke. Nah, di sini for the first picture it's 7 o'clock. Pukul 7 tepat. Nah, kenapa menggunakan o'clock? Nah, dia menggunakan itu biasanya disebut dengan time expression atau keterangan waktu. Misal ada keterangan waktu sama keterangan tempat. Mungkin ada keterangan yang lain di selatan ya, dan juga saya. Nah, time expression digunakan untuk kita misalnya for example like the first is 7 o'clock. Nah, penggunaan o'clock. Kenapa digunakan o'clock? Nah, o'clock digunakan itu pada tepat jam, pada artinya jam 7.00. Berarti menitnya itu 00. Nah, makanya penggunaannya itu it's 7 o'clock atau penggunaannya o'clock. Nah, for the second picture is it 8:30. Kenapa dia menggunakan 8:30? Karena because 8:30 is lewat 30 menit atau menit 30. Jadi penggunaannya itu it 8:30. Jadi for the second picture is it 8:30 karena dia menunjukkan penggunaannya itu 8:30 kan menit 30. Understand guys?
Yes,
You wanna ask?
Oh yes.
Oke.
How about lewat 15?
Oke. Great, Tiara. Good question. Lewat 15 menit berarti misalnya jam 8 lewat 15 menit berarti penggunaannya itu if quarter past 8. Oke, understand Tiara?
Yes.
Oke, thank you. Now, can Miss pas satu orang ke depan?
Kalian.
Jadi Tiara. Okay, I have conversation for after this I invite you into group. Karena cuma 3 orang nanti 1 orang
we go to school at 8:05.
And we eat every day at 12 o'clock.
And we go back to home at 12:30.
And we play football at 5 to 5.
Okay.
Okay, and then we shower in the afternoon at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
And we go to bed at 10 to half past 10.
Okay.
That is.
Okay, give applause guys to Adriana. Thank you Adriana. Good job. Okay, Dina. Time is yours. Give applause to Dina guys. Okay, Dina.
At 5, I wake up. At 5 o'clock, I wake up and then I pray subuh. After subuh, I breakfast. Breakfast after subuh.
What time? After school, what time?
After subuh at 6 quarter past 6, I take a breakfast, and then at 7 o'clock I went to school, and then after that in school half past 10, we have a break, and I get my I get my break food, break meal.